Farmall Cadet. Motor tractor, this is the Farmall C4. This is Josh, driving the 1948 Farmall, the smallest farm tractor that International had it for 6 times. This is another tractor. He did have the pneumatic lift on the retractor that just took that off. Kind of neat innovation for raising and lowering the implement. Side making the operators are able to see the road. It was a very good tractor for them. This tractor was an integral will increase the horsepower by raising the RPM to 200 RPM and also raise that steering wheel to the descent rate of F12 and F14 by looking at F14. Model. Roland Watson is the owner and driver of this particular tractor. And this tractor is equipped with a touch control technology from the International Company. So I'm going to change colors now and go to category unstyled tractor. Definitely was on steel wheels, although the look that is removed and rubber features that is placed on the wheel. Charlie Chris was 1952 John Deere model. They get the largest roll-off tractor that John Deere has built for following that first down from the Tom and Bonnie chassis. But there's a little storage wagon here. All right. Tony is the driver of this little tractor. So he's got a... Okay, next in line is Dick Benz driving his roll crop tractor. And following Dick is his wife, Karen, who's driving the Oliver Super 55 industrial type tractor that was kind of the Ford concept of having industrial type system. Following that is a Farmall C. The little Tigers is Farmall A, but that is not a Farmall A, that's a Farmall B. That's right, don't that work? So following the Farmall B, the 1935 model, which began the trend for industrial design of tractors, the side of the tractor looked very similar to that, except that the grill was flatter. Following that is Andy's Texas, with a Manual Vira. And Andy's tractor is equipped with a dual fuel engine with inverted kerosene system and also. Coming up next, we'll go trailer with the John Deere model S&R starter tractor. This is a 1954 model. Phil Hillman is the owner and driver of this particular tractor. Following him is a 1950 John Deere model customized of that John Deere.